Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you one of my favorite types of manicure, and that is the French manicure. Now in this video I am going to be using dual forms for my French nails. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Now to start, I'm going to need some polygel. I have here two polygels. I have the white and the pink. These are from Model Ones. We're going to be needing some dual form. These dual forms are from Model Ones as well. So I'll get a dual form and come in with my white polygel. I'll use a pea amount. With the help of my slip liquid, I will shape it up. Now this is the tip of the French nail, and as you can see, I am not doing it at the lower part of the dual form. I'm doing it at the upper part because it's supposed to be the tip. I will shape it up very well. Try to give it, those smile lines. This takes time and you need patience to do this. After I've done shaping, I'll cure this for about 10 seconds. I just need to secure it in place. You don't need to over cure it. Get my pink polygel and put it at the lower part. I guess you can see what I'm doing now. With the help of my slip liquid, I'll just shape it up. So after I'm done, I'll set them aside for later. Paint my nails with some base coat and go ahead and cure it for about 60 seconds. I'll get the prepped nail and stick it onto my natural nail. I'll push it down into the cuticle to give it that natural look. Then I'll go ahead and cure it. Everything, this is what we have here. It's time for my favorite part. I'll just pop off the dual forms. I'll come in with my clippers and cut them shorter. With my file and file the surface to remove any unevenness. Finally, I'll come in with some top coat. I say this is an easier way of doing French nails. It's time consuming though, but I think it's easier as compared to other methods. I'll come in with some cuticle oil. And yeah, here we are. These are my French nails, and let me know if you like the method or not. Let me find out in the comment section. If you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.